for just a general wipe down, your countertops will look great, just like this. This is nothing more than water and a paper towel. But there's a reason that these countertops look so good with something such as a paper towel and water. It's because we use Supreme Surface, Supreme Surface Treatment with ioSeal. So let's talk about it. If you just use dish soap and water to clean your countertops, fine. You better be rinsing it, because if you don't, it will dull. And black granite is not an issue if you're using Supreme Surface Treatment. Look at this, I'm just not seeing fingerprints. Okay, does yours do that? Mine does that, and I use Supreme Surface Granite, Quartz, and Marble Treatment. Standard practice is to wipe the surface dry, keep it free of debris. Wipe up spills as quickly as possible. Any sticky messes, I'll try and resolve that before using Supreme Surface. Just use a paper towel or a damp paper towel. This product will clean, shine, protect, and preserve the surface all in one spray. The benefit of using Supreme Surface Treatment with ioSeal, it protects the surface with ioSeal. ioSeal is formulated with a neutral cleaning solution that's streak-free, alcohol-free, ammonia-free, phosphate-free. And when you spray it on and you wipe it off just like that, it will clean it, shine it, protect it with meaningful protection. ioSeal, a meaningful level of protection. You can see the difference, you can feel the difference, and there's a difference in how you clean, because water spots, future water spots, just wipe off. Look at these countertops, and all we do is a weekly, on about a weekly basis. I use this. When you start out, I recommend the Supreme Surface Granite, Quartz, and Marble Treatment with ioSeal. Use this once a day, every day, for about a week. If you have white quartz or marble, I do it 2 weeks. Okay, every day. And then after that, about once a week, just spray it on, just like this, just a little bit, and rub it in just like this, okay? That is all you have to do right there to clean, shine, protect, and preserve the surface, all in one spray. Supreme Surface, 24-ounce Granite, Quartz, and Marble Treatment, and the 8-ounce Granite, Quartz, and Marble Treatment. Learn more at supremesurface.com.